Okay, I'm going to show you how to download PropertyZar Tenant mobile app. Your landlord would have emailed you your email address and your temporary password. I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to go to the App Store. I'm going to search for PZ Tenant, short for PropertyZar Tenant. There it is. Select it, and there it is in my list to download. I'll download it. Now that it's downloaded, I'll go ahead and open. I'll go ahead and log in with the credentials that my landlord emailed me. I can click that forgot password and change my password to one that I like to use. Then I'll put in my password. Then I'll click sign in, and I'm in. My current balance is $800. That's for my $800 rent for this month. I don't have any credit cards or bank accounts set up yet, so let me do that real quick. So I'll click on Pay Now. Obviously, I don't have anything in there, so I have to add payment. You can add a credit card if you want. I'll just show it to you. I'm not going to do it. It's going to be very expensive to pay by credit card. Credit cards are 2.9% plus 30 cents. So if you're paying a $1,000 rent bill with a credit card, it's going to cost you like $29.30 to do that. So I'm not going to do a bank card or credit card. I'm going to do a bank account. And I'll click Add Bank Account. We recommend e-check. It's only $1 a transaction. You see up in the red tooltip. But I can also do an ACH method, which is going to be more expensive. It's 0.08% or $5 cap. So if you're doing a $1,000 rent, you're going to be paying $5 cap to put it against an ACH as opposed to $1. So I'm going to stay with my e-check option, $1 per transaction. So if I pay my $800 rent here, it'll cost me $801. So I'm going to put in a name on account. I'm going to say Gavin Belson. And my routing number. Then my account number. Okay, now I'm going to hit save. It's successful. You just have to be patient and give it a minute to register that. So it's been successful. And it says, please check your bank account within 1 to 2 business days and check for the miscellaneous deposits. They're going to make 2 micro deposits. I'm going to hit OK. So in 1 to 2 days, I need to go check this bank account. Right now, I still can't use this bank account on this payment on the PropertyZar Tenant app until my bank's been verified. So in 1 to 2 days, I'll go get my micro deposits from my online banking, or I can call my bank. I'm going to come back here then, and I'm going to click Add Payment, and I'm going to choose down here, Verify Bank Account. There's my bank account. I'm going to put in, it's going to make 2 small micro deposits. Don't add the micro deposits together. So I've got a 16 cents and a 37 cents. So I'm going to put in 16, and I'm going to put in 37. You don't need the decimals. And then you hit verify. Now those are my 2 micro deposits. Again, don't add them together. Some people seem to do that for some reason. You put amount 1 in one, amount 2 in the other. Hit click to verify, and you're done. And then that bank account will be available for you to use going forward. Now you only need to verify the very first time. So once you do this, then it's always there for you to use going forward. Then what you do is when you come back to pay, I'll just go back to home page. When you come back here to pay, come back here, you select your bank account, choose that one, and then you choose your invoice that you're going to pay. I only have 1 invoice, so it selects it for me. $800 is my total. I can hit pay. It's going to then ask me to confirm, and then I'll pay my invoice to that bank account. E-checking. Again, we recommend the e-check when you add a bank account. Make sure you choose e-check. Make sure you choose e-check, not the ACH. It's going to save you money. That's the only reason. They both work, but that's going to save you money. Okay. And real quick, I might as well show you the other things. If you want to switch a language to the app, you can switch there. If you want to look at your ledger, in other words, all your invoices and and payments, you can look at your ledger. If you want to order renter's insurance, it's like to get a quote, and your quote's like $5 a month for renter's insurance. So you click on renter's insurance. I can communicate with my landlord, subject notes, and send email or text, and I can submit a work order. If I have a problem with a leaky sink or something, I can just click on that. But the biggest thing for this little demo is to show you how to add a credit card or a bank account and to verify it in 1 to 2 business days with the 2 micro deposits.